Hello friends, myself Mr. V.D. Jadhav sir from Adarsh Institute of Technology and Research Center VITA. In our previous video, we discussed working of battery ignition system. Our some of viewers demand electronic ignition system. So today we will learn electronic ignition system. Guys, electronic ignition system is very much similar to battery ignition system. Here we are using armature instead of contact breaker. Anyhow, we have to generate large amount of voltage so that spark can happen inside the engine cylinder, and this voltage can be generated by EMF. So we have to generate EMF. When ignition switch is on, current flows from battery to the primary winding of ignition coil. For generating EMF, we have to turn on and off the current which is flowing through the primary winding. So for that purpose, here we are using the armature. Armature has teeth on it. Whenever the teeth comes in front of pickup coil, and signal is sent to the electronic control module, and this electronic control module, after sensing the signal, turn off the current flowing towards the primary winding. Again, when tooth passes pickup coil, it sends signal to the electronic control module and the current flows in the primary winding. So because of this on and off the current, and magnetic field is induced in the secondary winding, and huge amount of voltage is produced, around 20,000 to 22,000 volt, and which is sent to the spark plug through the distributor. So parts are the same. It again consists, this electronic ignition system consists battery, ignition coil. Ignition coil consists of soft iron core, primary winding and secondary winding. Primary winding consists of 200 to 300 turns. Secondary winding consists of the more than 20,000 turns. Okay, wound around the soft iron core. So instead only contact breaker, here we are using the armature. Now let's see. Here again we can see the, instead of this contact breaker points, in case of battery ignition system, we are going to use the armature and the electronic ignition module. Okay. So armature send the signal to the ignition module to make and break the circuit. Now let's see how it works. Now when the ignition switch is turned on, current flows from the battery through the ignition switch to the primary winding. Here reluctor, which is again when the reluctor or armature both come in front of the pickup coil, and voltage signal is generated, and this voltage or signal is forwarded to the electronic ignition module, and electronic ignition stops the current flowing through the primary circuit. Okay, we can see here it stops the current flowing from the primary circuit. Again, when tooth passes the pickup coil, current will again flow and primary circuit complete. Okay, so due to continuous, due to continuous make and break, what will happen? Magnetic field is generated in the ignition coil, and due to this magnetic field, and EMF is induced in the secondary winding, causing the voltage to produce more than the 20,000 volt. Okay, now what happened in the distributor? When the rotor comes exactly in front of the distributor point, the voltage jumps due to the air gap from the rotor to the point. Okay, and this again high voltage produced is transferred to the distributor to the spark plug through high tension cable. Okay, I hope you understand this working of electronic ignition system. Thank you.